In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Whop bot to your Telegram. Whether you're a business owner or just looking to enhance your communication channels, adding a bot can streamline processes and improve interaction. So let's dive in and make this addition as smooth as possible. First, you need to head over to the Whop website. Open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the Whop homepage. This platform serves as the central hub where you can manage your business applications and integrations. Once you're there, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side of your screen. This menu is your navigation tool, so find and click on the section labeled Your Business. This is where all the magic happens, as it allows you to manage and add new apps to your business profile. After clicking on Your Business, you should see several options. Look for a tab labeled Add App located just below the Home tab. Clicking this will take you to a section where you can search for various applications to integrate with your business. This feature is incredibly useful as it allows you to expand your business's capabilities by adding tools that enhance productivity and communication. Now that you're in the App section, it's time to find the Whop bot. To do this, locate the search bar at the top of the page. In this bar, type Telegram. The search functionality here is very straightforward, and it helps you quickly narrow down your options to find exactly what you need. After typing Telegram, press Enter, and the results should display applications related to Telegram. In the search results, you should see an option labeled Telegram. Click on it to open the details page for the Telegram integration. This page will provide you with all the necessary information about the bot and how it can be utilized within your business's communication framework. Review this information to ensure it meets your needs. Once you've confirmed that this is indeed the app you want to add, look for the button labeled Add and click it. This action will initiate the process of integrating the Whop bot with your Telegram account. It's a fairly simple process, but if you encounter any issues, make sure to double-check your internet connection or refresh the page. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added the Whop bot to your Telegram. This integration will now allow you to automate responses, manage customer inquiries more efficiently, and enhance overall communication within your business. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, feel free to like and subscribe for more guides and tips. Have a great day!